Welcome to another Paraiso Realty property tour. I'm Bob with Paraiso Realty. If you're interested in this or any of our properties, obviously you can check out our website, PRRA.com. Give us a call, shoot us an email. Love to help you out. I just noticed here as I'm walking into the property that bees are very busy today. This is a vine that grows like crazy around Vieques, and I noticed the hum of the bees are just everywhere. They're working it today. So this property, Destino Duplex, that's the name we've got for it on our website. It is a duplex. It's here in Destino. It's an old PRRA house, which I'll explain to you in a minute. It's also, as of today, we're mid to September 2022. This is a short sale. We're working with the bank, working with the owners to find a new owner. The clock is ticking, so we're going to price it aggressively. And I have a feeling this may not last long. I'm actually curious to see if this video gets up online first or if it gets sold. This here is a garage. Just walked up the driveway right there. There are two entrances to this property. There's a garage here. Take some steps up. As you can see, it's a little overgrown right now. There's a garage right here. There is actually a room there. I don't have a key for it, but there is a room there. I imagine someone being creative, this could almost be turned into a separate casita, because this room on the back side, on the street side, actually has a little balcony. So that's currently a garage, currently a storage room, but could easily be a casita. This is the back side of the house. This property actually is bordered by two roads. When you come into Destino at the split, you can go left or right. With this house, as I guess as Yogi Berra would say, when you come to the fork, take it, because either road will bring you to this house. This is the lower road entrance, which I think would be ideal for the lower unit. And there is another entrance at the top of the hill with the other road. So backyard here is currently concrete. This property does sit kind of on a hill. This is probably the flattest area. So if one wanted to put a pool, this would probably be the ideal location for it. Lots of mature trees here. Huge flamboyant, a couple of palm trees, mango tree. There's a big breadfruit tree up here. A month or so ago, it was dangerous walking under it because it's Pana season, and they were just kind of falling out of the sky. So let's go straight to the back door. There's two doors off this back patio space. Notice there's some decorative wrought iron here. Imagine you could put a roof or awning over this if you wanted. There's two doors here. One leads to a kitchen. The other leads to the hallway with the bedrooms. So let's go into the kitchen. Here we've got concrete countertops. Actually concrete everything. Concrete walls and ceiling. There's a space for the oven. Double sink. There's a refrigerator. Some storage shelves, and looking back out to the backyard. So there's your kitchen. Now the kitchen leads into what was an original PRRA house. As I mentioned in some other videos, PRRA houses were built around 1950s, help with Eleanor Roosevelt. This was a 19 by 19 room. It was shelter for folks who were given this land to live here. They had kitchen and outhouse separately. And this house, as you can see, it's kind of been chopped up a little bit. It's very hard to cut through these walls, but there's a door that was cut. That might have been an original door to the house. And then you've got, doors that were cut for windows and hallways, and these definitely are cut, as is that one. So on this side, I envision this ideally set up with a nice long dining table. This ends up being a nice little dining area. This is an added on room, but just the setup of the space screams long dining table. Here's a living room. Got the ceilings. PRRA houses did not have flat roofs. They were all a little arched. And this over here is actually, I didn't come in this way because of the foliage outside, but this is proper front entrance to this level. So come in here, almost a little vestibule area right here, which then brings you into the PRRA house living room. It's actually fairly dramatic. I don't know if it's coming through on the video, but the way that these rooms were added on and using this PRRA house as a centerpiece is actually very attractive. So as we come off the main living room, there's a hallway here. If we come in and go left, a very large bedroom, air conditioning unit up there. It's a great size room. I'd say it's probably, I don't know, 20 by 15, good size. This is, I'm gonna guess, this is facing southeast. So this is bedroom number one. Come back into the hallway. Again, there's the living room, PRRA house living room. On door number two on the left here is another bedroom. Some windows up top, windows on the side. There's a door we just came in, and this actually has an ensuite, full bath, concrete counters, the mirror, concrete shower with some decorative tile inlaid there, and a toilet. Coming back out to the hallway. Next door on the left is a full bath. It's a little dark in here, but there's your shower. It's painted a dark green, so I don't know if it's gonna come through. There's a toilet, concrete counter with a sink and a window. As I mentioned when we're on the back patio, there's the door that comes off that back patio into this hallway of bedrooms. And finally here, our last bedroom off the back of the house. This might have the best light. This is looking south, I believe. Concrete floor. There's a little step down right there, and there's a little step down over there in the hallway. So there you go. That's the third bedroom. So on this floor we have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. We have the PRRA style living room. We have the vestibule with the main entrance, the dining room, the kitchen, out to the back patio. Imagine this would be great for dining at night. And I also envision that perhaps this is an area where someone puts a pool out back. So let's go, so that's unit number 1. This is the downstairs section. Again, there's another view of it from here. Around the side here, this is a laundry room. It's connections for laundry in there. Got a sink out back. That's looking back at all the patio area. What we're gonna go upstairs. There's a unit upstairs, some steps right here. So they are connected. These 2 units are connected by these stairs, a little walkway. As I mentioned, if you came in through if you took a left at the fork in Destino, that would take you to that entrance right up there. So both of these units could actually have their own separate units and not bother each other if you want people living here separately. Here's the other unit. This one's upstairs. So here we have, there's a nice little porch, decorative concrete work, steps down. There's the entrance up there off the road. Porch continues on that side, and there are some windows here, louvered glass windows. And we come into basically one big room. Good sized room, living room, kitchen, dining room, all kind of a big studio space. Let me show you also a nice feature off of here if we go ahead to the back. There is a deck up here, a little patio. This right here, just to show you, this is, remember, this is an original PRRA house. That is the roof of the original PRRA house. As we've seen in Vieques, so many of these PRRA houses, that was the original house, and over the years, families have just kept adding on and adding on. So there is a nice Outdoor space here for the upstairs deck, whether it's for sunning or entertaining. And I think even on a good day, if we look out this way, a little trimming, might even be able to see the ocean to the north. So good, you know, decent sized deck. Up here, this is only a 1-bedroom unit, so doesn't need to be a huge deck. Back here is the kitchen. There's the hot water heater down there. Concrete countertops. This is more of an efficiency kitchen. Again, you know, with the 1-bedroom, you have 1 or 2 people living here. Long-term rental, short-term rental. Good amount of space for 1 person or 2 people. Because this whole area out here, living room, living space combo is actually a good size. So off the kitchen, we come to the bedroom. Again, this is another good sized bedroom. That looks like at least a queen size bed. And there's plenty of room around here for chairs and dressers and whatnot. And this overlooks the back deck that we saw downstairs. Over there's the garage. So that's 1 bedroom, and then it has its own full bath. So there's a toilet. There's a shower. And the concrete counter and the sink. All right, so there we go. Once again, we've got the bedroom, the bathroom, the kitchen, and living room, dining room, and the outdoor deck. So again, this is Destino Duplex, Destino Barrio. It is a short sale. Check our website because we are dropping the price. This is going to be sold quickly, and basically this is being priced to move. And we'll see if it actually gets, so we'll see what happens first, if this video gets posted or if it gets sold. Again, I'm Bob with Paraiso Realty. Thanks for taking another property tour with us. If you'd like to know more about this property or any of others, please check our website, www.paraisorealtypr.com. This is the upper street, just to give you a sense of where we are. And that's it. Thanks for taking the tour. If you like this or want to see any other videos, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.